How does Pheomelanin influence natural hair lightening methods? Imagine a world where the color of your hair can change naturally over time, influenced by the very pigments that give your hair its unique hue. This fascinating process is rooted in the complex chemistry of hair pigmentation, specifically involving two main types of melanin, Eumelanin and Pheomelanin. While Eumelanin is responsible for darker shades like brown and black, Pheomelanin imparts reddish and yellowish tones to hair. The presence and ratio of these pigments play a crucial role in how hair responds to natural lightening methods. Pheomelanin is chemically different from Eumelanin, containing sulfur atoms that influence its stability and response to environmental factors. When hair is exposed to ultraviolet radiation from sunlight, the energy can break down certain chemical bonds within the melanin molecules. Pheomelanin is generally more susceptible to this breakdown compared to Eumelanin. This means that hair with higher concentrations of Pheomelanin, such as naturally red or strawberry blonde hair, tends to lighten more readily when exposed to sunlight or natural lightening agents. The process of natural hair lightening involves the degradation of melanin pigments. Since Pheomelanin is less stable under ultraviolet exposure, it tends to fade faster, leading to a lighter appearance over time. This is why individuals with higher Pheomelanin levels often notice their hair becoming more vibrant or lighter during prolonged sun exposure. Conversely, hair with predominantly Eumelanin, which is more resistant to UV-induced breakdown, may retain its darker color longer, making natural lightening less pronounced. Certain natural lightening methods, such as applying lemon juice, chamomile tea, or honey, work by mildly increasing the exposure of hair to sunlight or by creating an environment that encourages pigment breakdown. The effectiveness of these methods can be influenced by the type of melanin present. Hair rich in Pheomelanin responds more quickly because the pigment is more vulnerable to degradation. However, it is important to note that these methods tend to produce subtle and gradual changes rather than dramatic transformations. In summary, Pheomelanin significantly influences how hair responds to natural lightening techniques. Its chemical composition makes it more prone to breakdown under ultraviolet light, resulting in a faster and more noticeable lightening effect in hair with higher Pheomelanin content. Understanding this relationship helps explain why some hair colors lighten more easily with natural methods, highlighting the intricate connection between hair pigments and environmental factors.